I have a GE refrigerator model PFSF6PKXAWW. The ice bucket is stuck and won't come out. Something is hitting the rear of the bucket. I can't pull it out enough to reach my hand in or see what is in the way. The entire ice maker assembly is molded into the fridge. Is there a way to remove the ice bucket without breaking it?
Hi, thanks for choosing JustAnswer. Did it stop making ice too?
It is not making ice either. I'm sure the issues are related.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXX I look forward to helping you. From the sounds of your description, I suspect the ice maker itself has worked loose and dropped down into the bucket. Can you see anything beyond the bucket front?
Unfortunately, I can't see anything beyond the front. I'm able to barely touch the front of the ice maker with my fingertips. It's not moving at all and appears to still be in place on the buttons at the top of the fridge. But I can't be sure.
I suspect you will have to force the bucket out, which will likely break it or the ice maker, but it seems you have no other choice if you have let it thaw.
Thanks. Unfortunately, that's what I'll have to do. But it was worth a shot to ask.
If I were you, I would call a servicer so they can assume the liability. You are going to pay either way.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.